on a quick trip to the supermarket, and I noticed some really odd things that are in a Japanese supermarket that I typically don't find in an American supermarket. And one of those things is very expensive fruit. For example, like this watermelon, which is $16. I used to work at Trader Joe's, and we used to sell watermelons 2 times the size of this for about $5 to $10. The average Japanese diet consists of steamed rice, fish, natto, tofu, seaweed, and fresh or cooked pickled vegetables. So things like this, which I think are odd, these small little fishes which typically we put on top of rice, which I'm actually starting to like now. There is one thing that I just can't wrap my head around, or the taste, and that is natto. My daughter and my wife absolutely love it. You're probably asking me, what the hell is natto bean? Fermented soybeans that are basically fermented for like 24 hours. Then they put them into a cold refrigerator unit, which allows them to get sticky. Sticky. Really sticky. All I can say is, natto is not for me. Here are a few things that my daughter absolutely loves and I think are pretty tasty themselves. Soda-flavored popsicles. And on the opposite end of the spectrum, crushed ice with a flavor that also has sweet beans and chocolate and white cream. Why? And also, why do you need a big giant bag of dried sardines? Interesting. And I really enjoy these fine pieces of seaweed that are basically laced with a powdered salt. Super fantastic to put on top of steamed rice. Absolutely scrumdiddlyumptious. And of course, it wouldn't be Japan if we didn't have some noodles. Lots of noodles. If you found this video remotely entertaining, you might enjoy another day in Osaka, Japan. Thanks for watching.